One of the most persistent dangers of dietary supplements is not just what they contain, but what they promise. Marketing campaigns often paint these products as miracle solutions, capable of curing cancer, detoxifying the body, reversing aging, or boosting immunity overnight. These exaggerated claims are not just misleading, they can be dangerously deceptive, especially for people facing real medical challenges or looking for quick fixes. Unlike pharmaceuticals, which are tightly regulated and must prove efficacy through clinical trials, supplements often enter the market with minimal scrutiny and no requirement to back their claims with solid evidence. The language used in supplement marketing is intentionally crafted to bypass scientific accountability. Terms like supports, enhances, or promotes are vague enough to avoid regulatory penalties, but strong enough to give consumers the impression of powerful therapeutic effects. A supplement that claims to support immune function might contain nothing more than a common vitamin in a dose already abundant in your diet, yet its packaging may suggest that it protects against colds, flu, or even cancer. These subtle but manipulative tactics are widespread, and many consumers fall into the trap of assuming that frequent repetition of such claims means there's truth behind them. This becomes especially concerning when supplements target vulnerable populations. Cancer patients, for example, are often bombarded with products claiming to be natural alternatives to chemotherapy, turmeric, apricot seeds, mushroom extracts, or high-dose antioxidants, all presented as safer and more effective options than conventional treatment. Not only are these claims unproven, but they can lead to devastating outcomes when patients delay or abandon real medical care in favor of natural cures. In some cases, supplements can even interfere with cancer therapies, either by reducing their efficacy or increasing toxicity. The detox trend is another heavily exploited marketing angle. Products marketed for liver cleansing, colon flushing, or heavy metal removal are almost never backed by rigorous evidence. The human body already has built-in detoxification systems, namely the liver, kidneys, lungs, and skin, that are constantly working to process and eliminate waste. Most detox supplements either do nothing or act as laxatives, diuretics, or harsh stimulants that cause fluid loss and the illusion of weight reduction or increased energy. In reality, they often dehydrate users, disturb electrolyte balance, or irritate the gastrointestinal tract, offering no genuine detox benefit and sometimes harming those with underlying conditions. Immunity-boosting claims have surged in popularity, especially during the COVID-19 pandemic and subsequent health scares. Supplements advertising instant immune protection, with ingredients like elderberry, zinc, echinacea, or colloidal silver, often prey on public fear. While some of these compounds have modest effects in isolated studies, none can offer immunity on demand, and certainly not to the extent that marketing implies. Worse, megadosing on immune supplements may actually backfire, leading to immune dysregulation, chronic inflammation, or toxicity, as seen in high doses of vitamin D or selenium. Another common exaggeration lies in weight loss and fat-burning supplements. Many of these products promise rapid results by claiming to boost metabolism, target belly fat, or melt pounds. In most cases, these are little more than stimulant-based formulas that temporarily increase heart rate and suppress appetite. Not only do these not produce sustainable weight loss, but they also come with real risks: heart palpitations, anxiety, insomnia, high blood pressure, and in some cases, sudden cardiac events, especially when misused or combined with other stimulants like caffeine or yohimbine. Cognitive and mood-enhancing supplements are similarly overhyped. Nootropics are often marketed as pills that sharpen memory, focus, or creativity. While certain compounds, e.g., caffeine, L-theanine, or creatine, may have mild cognitive effects, many brain boosters are built around pseudoscience and unverified ingredients. There is little to no evidence that these supplements improve long-term brain function in healthy adults. Worse, they may mask underlying issues like sleep deprivation, nutrient deficiencies, or untreated mental health disorders, problems that require professional care, not unregulated pills. The core issue is that supplement companies are not required to prove their claims before going to market. The FDA and similar agencies around the world typically act after harm has occurred, not before. Enforcement is reactive, not proactive. As long as the label avoids direct disease treatment language, companies can push misleading narratives with relative impunity. Even when claims are later challenged or products are recalled, the damage is often done. Trust has been gained, and consumers may continue using a product based on its original promises. To protect yourself, it's critical to approach supplement claims with skepticism and demand scientific evidence, ideally from peer-reviewed, placebo-controlled human trials. Read beyond the label. Check if the company discloses its sourcing, dosing, and third-party testing. Ask whether the claimed effects are plausible, supported by actual research, or just anecdotal reports and marketing hype. Most importantly, remember that supplements are not substitutes for a healthy lifestyle, medical treatment, or professional diagnosis. If a product sounds too good to be true, promising to fix complex health problems effortlessly, rapidly, or naturally, it almost always is. The best protection against misleading supplement claims is an informed, cautious, and evidence-based mindset.